So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to scroll down till you find Windows Time. You want to double click on it. Change the startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will then make the server status running, and then click on OK. If you got to this stage and it was already running and it was already on automatic, then you want to right click on Windows Time and then click on restart. See if that works for you. And now for the second method, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD, then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to copy and paste the 3 commands, which will be down below in the description. You want to copy and paste it one by one. So for the first one, I'm just going to copy this, go back to CMD, you want to right click on the white tab, and then click on edit, and then click on paste, click on enter. Do this for the next 2 commands. Copy this, right click on the white tab, edit, paste. And now for the last one. And now for the last command, I'm just going to type it in. You can copy and paste it if you want to. It's w32tm space / register. Click on enter. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in timedate.cpl. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on internet time. And then you want to click on change settings. Now you want to make sure you have synchronized with your internet time server selected. Set this server to time.windows.com and then click on update now. And then click on OK. And then click on OK again. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to make sure that your time zone is correct. Your set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. The problem should be fixed now and you should be seeing a tick. However, if you do not see a tick and it comes off with this error, then you just want to restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, you want to come back into here, and then you want to make sure your time zone is correct, set time automatically turned on, and click on sync now, and then it should be working for you.